Welcome to the Fizzy Show. That will be $5 for the Fizzy food truck.
Yummy! Perfect!
Thank you, Phoebe. Have a great day.
Oh, this is awesome! Our very own food truck. The Fizzy and Phoebe food truck is now open for business.
Right, we just need to set up our super awesome food truck. Now, this is our grill, Phoebe, where we will cook all our food.
Oh, can we toast marshmallows on it?
We're gonna grill vegetables on it, Phoebe.
Tasty.
Right, we just need to turn it on like this. There we go, it is on. Now we have to be careful, Phoebe, because it gets really hot.
Whoa, look, Fizzy, we have an ice cream maker.
That is awesome. This is gonna be so popular.
Our customers will love it, and I love it.
Whoa, Phoebe, slow down, don't worry. We'll have loads of time to make ice cream. And anyway, you haven't got your cone ready.
Oops. Well, I still think we should test them both out first.
Agreed. Okay, let's see what we have in stock. Oh, look, Phoebe, we have vegetables.
They're really healthy, aren't they?
Yes, Phoebe, they sure are.
What else do we have, Fizzy? What else?
Well, we have our ice cream flavors. They're for customers only, Phoebe.
Oh, look at the squishy fruit. Miss Hands, have you seen these?
Hi, Fizzy and Phoebe. Well, look how cute these little fruits are. We have a super stretchy pineapple here. Look at that, he's smiling. And a strawberry. That stretches even more, look. Woo! And a really cute watermelon. Look how wide that goes.
Yummy, and they'll be tasty on our ice cream too.
Good idea. And you know something? Fruit provides us with lots of good nutrients to help our bodies.
Awesome!
Oh, Joy! It looks like we've got our first order through. It's time to get cooking.
Sadness, aww.
Oh, anger.
Fear.
Anxiety.
Disgust.
We have so many orders in our kitchen. Let's get making.
Joy has ordered a raspberry and orange ice cream with sprinkles and double cookies.
Ooh, that sounds delicious.
So let's get started with our ice cream maker. We have our waffle cone ready, and I do love a waffle cone. And look, over here, we have our raspberry and orange flavors. This is perfect. We can make some really tasty ice cream. Okay, so we have our raspberry on one side and orange on the other. Let's push down the lever and make it swirl. This really looks delicious.
We need sprinkles.
Ooh, we can use different colors to make rainbow sprinkles. And we attach our handle firmly like that. And are you ready? 3, 2, 1. And here we have our rainbow sprinkles. Perfect! Now let's make our cookies. Let's add some chocolate chips first. And our cookie dough. There we go. Cookie number 2.
Next up, we have Sadness. She would like grilled vegetables.
Okay, for this one, we need to use the grill. But we have to make sure we're being very careful as the grill can get really, really hot. Here, I've got my tongs ready. These will protect my hands from the heat. Oh, do we have any other orders with grilled food?
We have chicken for fear.
That's perfect. Now let's place each of our vegetables one by one. I'm gonna put tomatoes over here on the left-hand side and some pepper. And also down here some eggplant. And now on the right-hand side of the grill, we're gonna add our chicken. 2 pieces, there we go. Yummy, can you hear them cooking? While these cook, we can make another order. Ooh, okay, so on this card we have Anger, who has asked for lime ice cream to help cool his temper. Lime ice cream coming right up. And look, he would like his in a cup. So we put down our lever and we're gonna swirl.
Ooh, look at those yummy swirls. Now what else did Anger want? Oh, rainbow sprinkles. Can we add those too?
Absolutely, Phoebe. We made lots before.
Whoa, this looks awesome.
We're almost there. We just have anxiety and disgust to serve.
Disgust has just asked for a cup full of pretzels.
Good job we have our pretzel mode, Phoebe.
Ooh, can we make rainbow pretzels?
Sure thing, Phoebe. Let's get all our colors ready. We can use Fizzy magic. Are you ready to join in with me? 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop. Whoa, these colors look so vibrant. Let's add each color into the pretzel mold, and then we can put them into our tub. We need 7 pretzels.
Let's do it!
Red. Push that down like that. That's good. There we go. A red pretzel.
Ooh, orange, the second color of the rainbow. That's nicely squished. An orange pretzel.
I'm gonna squish the yellow one into the mold.
Squishy time.
Squash the blue one. There we go.
Indigo.
Let's squish the violet one in. How many do we have? We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Perfect! We have all 7 flavors of pretzels.
Oh, Fizzy, we have 1 order left.
Ooh.
Amazing job, team. Now we need to flip the food on the grill. Let's start over here with the chicken like this. Let's speed this up a bit. Oh, this is starting to cook through so well. Our customers are gonna love these.
We just have anxiety's order left.
Yes, a fully loaded sundae.
I am so excited to make this. We have so much to put on it.
Yeah, okay, Phoebe, I'll do the ice cream.
Yeah, and I'll do the toppings.
Let's go! Let's add some lemon here. And let's add blueberry here. 1 lemon and blueberry sundae coming right up. Round and round we go. Let's make lots of sprinkles. This looks so good.
Whoa, this looks so awesome. Can we put my red strawberries and my pink star on top?
We sure can, Phoebe.
Yeah, Fizzy, we did it. The first day in our food truck. We really did it.
I'm really proud of us, Phoebe. Teamwork goes a long way.
Yeah. What should we do now?
Well, I think we should celebrate with an ice cream.
Awesome sauce!
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time.